Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of infectious medicine is the tularemia. This topic we will discuss in 3 sections. In the first section, we will discuss about the etiology and epidemiology of the disease known as tularemia, pathogenesis and pathology, and also immunology of the tularemia. In the second section, we will discuss the clinical manifestations, how the patient with tularemia will present, what are the specific clinical features associated with different types of the tularemia, including oculoglandular tularemia, pulmonary and typhoidal tularemia. And then in the third section, we will discuss the management of tularemia, what's the differential diagnosis of tularemia, lab diagnosis, how we can treat this condition, what's the prognosis after the treatment of tularemia, and how we can prevent this condition known as tularemia. So today we will talk about tularemia in this lecture in detail and try to cover all the different aspects of the disease known as tularemia. Keep watching sqadia.com.